Hi, in this video we are going to see the free online 5 days short course with participation certificates organizing by the Indian Space Research Organization guys, that is ISRO. And here it is a very good news to all the students, faculty as well as the researchers and the professionals also working from different organizations. So here there is no restriction that only such candidates has to apply for this one. So whatever the department or the subject I am going to show you in this video, if you belongs to that one, then even though if you are a student or faculty, okay, or else a researcher, you may apply for this short course guys. And really it will be a wonderful opportunity. Why? Because here there is no exam. So as per your attendance or else as per your participation to this short course, you are going to get the certificate named as participation certificate. Fine. So this certificate will be very much valuable guys. Okay, I think all of you know. And please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this 5 days short course guys. And after completion of this video, so please give me one like to this video. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, the Unacademy is providing the complete course on paper 1, that is the teaching and research aptitude. Okay, so this course started on the 9th June onwards guys. All the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. The present content of the video, so it is a brochure from the Indian Institute of Remote Sensing guys, and you may check down in its official website. So 80th course on Earth observation for carbon cycle studies from June 21st to 25th to 2021. And here the online registration form, course brochure as well as the course schedule. Okay, all these things are given here. So I will show you the brochure as well as the schedule guys, and then if you want to register, then click on this registration form and then fill up the details. And I will provide this link in the description box of this video guys. Okay, so you please check out that one. And coming to this IARS outreach program, Earth observation for carbon cycle studies from 21st to 25 June 2021 and organized by Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, okay, ISRO from Government of India guys. And coming to the about the course is given here. Okay, so you may check down all these things and the course outcomes. So role of UO in carbon cycle assessment and measuring the ecosystem carbon exchange, upscaling, Earth observation. Okay, so these are all the different course contents guys. And coming to the target participants, so this course is designed for the professionals from central or state government or the private organizations, NGO, or students and researchers engaged in Earth observations aspects, carbon modeling, carbon assessment using RS and the GIS. Fine. The course participants have to duly sponsored by their university or institution, and application should be forwarded through the coordinators from respective organizations or centers. And users attending programs under CEC, UGC or CIET or other networks can also participate, and institutions on high-speed national knowledge network can also participate using AView software. Okay, so that means whoever the participants are there, they have to participate through your coordinator, okay, or else from your university or the institution guys. And coming to the whatever the course study material is there, okay, like lecture slides, video recorded lectures, open source software and handouts of demonstration, etc. Everything will be available through eClass, and the video lectures will be uploaded on the eClass. So it is official website guys. Okay, if you register, you will be provided with the login ID as well as the password. So based upon both these two, you can watch the course content in this website link. Okay, and coming to the course fee, so there is no course fee for attending this program. It is completely free guys. You need not to pay anything. And the course registration, so if you want to register, then here it is, a link is given here. Okay, and apart from this one, here the one more link is also there in the course schedule. I will show you that link guys. So if you want to register, prefer that link for the registration purpose. Okay, and while coming to the next one, course funding and technical support, and coming to the program reception, individuals can attend the course live via any web browser through the eClass portal of IARS Dehradun. And here the website is given here, okay, for attending the live course. And the participant can also attend this workshop or the course through the YouTube channel of IARS also. And here the YouTube channel link is also given. and the content of the workshop will be available offline after 24 hours in the eClass portal. That means in the YouTube, in the YouTube, you are going to get the video after completion of the live class in the eClass portal. After 24 hours you will get. Right? And coming to the award of certificate, all the participants who attend 70% of the sessions course via eClass portal, those candidates will get the certificate, guys. Not only in the eClass portal, the candidates who are attending the sessions via YouTube also you will get the certificate. But the thing is that you should mark your attendance via offline session available after 24 hours. Okay. So the candidates who are attending the workshop through the eClass portal as well as through the YouTube, both of you will get the certificate. But only the thing is that don't forget to give the attendance. Okay, the candidates who are watching through the IERS YouTube channel. Fine. So these are all the details regarding this one, guys. Okay, regarding this short course. Fine. And here the contact details are also there. If you are having any queries regarding this workshop, then the contact details are also provided, telephone number as well as the mail ID. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the 4 mail IDs as well as the 4 contact numbers are there. So you may contact to any one of the person. And coming to the course schedule is also given here. Okay, it is going to start from 21st. So 21st, first inauguration session, and then client server systems, internet and web GIS technology. And who is the resource person is also mentioned here. And introduction to HTML and JavaScript interactive session will be there on 22nd. And introduction of database management system, SQL queries and data visualization, okay, on 23rd. And you can observe here every day the session is only 1 hour. Okay, here they mentioned that 4 to 5. Okay, and next spatial SQL and geo visualization, it is 24th June. And OGC UI services and data publishing using GeoServer 25th, and hand-on experiment 28th, web mapping 29th, and web mapping EPAS leaflet 30th June. Okay, so and the next development of WebGIS 1st July, and WebGIS application for governance 2nd July. Okay, so these are all the details, guys, and finally the panel discussion will be there from 5 to 5:30 on the 2nd July, that is on the last day. Fine. So total these are the course schedule. So if you are interested in this topics, then you may attend, guys. And coming to the registration link is given here. So click on this registration for your online registration purpose. Okay, that means instead of clicking on this one, of course both these two are same. Okay, so instead of clicking on this one, if you are a student, then prefer this link for the online registration purpose. Okay, guys. So finally, these are the details. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay. And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.